Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer to a new bank with Chime, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer to a new bank with Chime, start by downloading the Chime app from the App Store or Google Play. Create your Chime account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Once your account is set up, you will need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Next, link your existing bank account to your Chime account. This may require you to log into your old bank through the app or manually enter your account and routing numbers. After linking your old account, choose the amount you wish to transfer to your Chime account. Confirm the transfer and note that it may take a few business days to process, depending on your previous bank's policies. While waiting for the transfer, consider setting up direct deposits with Chime for your paycheck and other income. You can do this by providing your employer with your Chime account and routing numbers, which can be found in the app. Once your funds have transferred, review all transactions to ensure everything is correct. To fully transition, consider closing your old bank account. Make sure all outstanding checks have cleared and confirm there are no pending transactions before you proceed. Finally, once satisfied, contact your previous bank to initiate the account closure. That's it. You're now fully transitioned to Chime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.